How does one pack for a week-long trip and a carry-on suitcase? I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm a girl that loves a list. I've gone rogue. Now the issue at hand, I leave in 2 days. And this isn't even all of it. I know people pack for week-long trips, 10-day trips even, in a carry-on suitcase. That is not an easy feat for me, and 2 days might seem like a long time to a lot of people. Not me. I'm a girl who likes a list. I'm a girl who likes to be prepared. This should already be done, but it isn't. So we're gonna get on it right now. Let me introduce you to the list. I love a list. I make a list for everything, especially packing, because I am one to think about all the big things and not the little things that I need every single day. So what I'm gonna do now is go through this list based on what I have behind me and in my living room and see what we're working with. The lighting in our living room is not great. I've got the couches and the table behind me, and I need to spread out all of my stuff. All right, this is the current state of the living room. From this way, it doesn't look bad, but I think it's not everything. Let me explain. This section here, all of my dresses, these are all short dresses, these are all long dresses. This is a casual set. This is one that could be casual or dressy. This is a long skirt. These are 2 tops that could go with said skirt. And that's a skirt that I just bought today from Marshall's that I need to pack a shirt for. Moving on. All of my bikinis I'm bringing, all of my cover-ups. I know that's a little bit insane. There's 2 pairs of linen pants in there, which are technically not cover-ups, but they're going to be cover-ups. So that's why they're in this pile. These are 2 workout sets. One is a sports bra and pants. The other is shorts and a longer sports bra. I also have a pair of biker shorts in here. I need to grab like some t-shirts, I think. Okay, anyway. These are the 3 pairs of sunglasses that I'm bringing. All of my cameras except for my DJI are in here right now. I don't think I'm gonna bring this bag unless it fits, but they're all together here for right now. This is a hat that I'm bringing. These are my PJs. I'm bringing sets because I feel like that's easier. I have one more pajama set that I just need to quickly wash that will join these 2. This is some cooling lotion that has aloe in it, like an after sun lotion. One of my favorite YouTubers did recommend this, and as someone who hates to be sunburnt, I feel like this is going to do me really well. It is just not going to fit in the carry-on though because of the fluid ounces that it is, but my mom is the only family member checking a bag, so I told her I'm going to give this to her because I do want to bring it with me. This is one bag I'm definitely going to bring. It's cute. It can be a clutch, or if you pop it open, there is a crossbody strap as well. I wanted one that would lay relatively flat in my bag when I pack it. Hi, Zuki. He's so cute. Anyway, undergarments that I need to add to, curling iron, scarves that I'm bringing, and then all of my toiletries are in here. I am bringing my new flower clip. Definitely this one. I got a pack of 4. I don't know which other colors I want to bring. I'm gonna bring this headband for washing my face. There's some last minute toiletries I definitely still need to pack. Oh, and all of my shoes down here. I think these are the ones I'm gonna bring. I'm definitely bringing these little heels, those 2 pairs of sandals, those cuter flip-flops, regular flip-flops, and then I'm gonna wear sneakers on the plane, I think. It certainly is a lot, and I need to start trying to organize and finalizing little things that I need, because if I don't, it's gonna stress me out. I don't have my makeup bag here yet. I need to go through it. I just got some other things today that I want to throw in there, and then I haven't packed any jewelry yet. Obviously some of my everyday jewelry is just in my ears right now, but like those are still things I need to do. My Kindle's not over here. I'm bringing a book with me, a physical book, and my Kindle. There's just so many things I have to do, and I'm stressed. All right, I got my phone flashlight on because I think that helps ever so slightly. I think I'm gonna start trying to put my dresses. I think I have the most dresses, so I'm gonna put those in this one, or at least try to. Maybe I'll show you what's in here as I'm packing. First dress, short black dress, halter neck, open back. The other thing I did while packing for this trip was take a photo of every single outfit just about. Second dress, again, bought about a year ago for my first trip to St. Maarten. Never wore it. Short, green, a little bit sheer, but not terrible when you have something underneath it. Hopefully get to wear it this trip. We'll see. This one is new. This is a little orange dress that I got from Amazon. Super cute. Big fan of this little frilly detail in the front. Next dress I have, also really cute, also from Amazon, is this fish dress. I can't hold it too close to the flashlight. It's this black dress with fish all over it, different types of fish. Open back with this little tie right here. I just think it's so cute. I was trying to pack a good mix of like casual and dressier slash fancier things because like I said, this is a family vacation, so I don't know what the vibes are gonna be. They could get crazy, they could not. I really don't know. I do have one more short dress, but I'm not sure how to pack this yet because it is quite poofy. Gorgeous though. Really fits the tropical vibes. Orange with hints of pink, open back, halter neck. There is shorts underneath it, which is cool. It's just a little puffy. It will like compact, but I think I may put this just like on top at the end. Okay, new dress to add to the collection. This I feel like could dress up or down. It's this pastel white, I think I would call this a paisley pattern, but I felt very oceanic and mermaid-like when I put it on today, and my friend agreed, so I am bringing this with me. This is the first long dress that I'm packing. I definitely have an obscene amount of options. What do you want me to say? Another new purchase, casual but like fun and funky. There's fruit all over it, oranges, limes, yellow flowers, stuff like that. It is strapless, but I put the straps on because I am not a fan of strapless things. This is not necessarily a poofy dress, but actually, let's see how small I can roll this up. I actually might be able to. Oh, I can actually get this quite small. Alright, it's a little bulky, but whatever. This dress I wore on my first St. Martin vacation. It's a white slip dress with pink flowers on it. We wore this on our floral night. This is a good basic. Again, can dress it up or down. Next dress is one I got for my birthday trip. However, I didn't get to wear it on my birthday trip. I don't know if I'll wear it this vacation either, but like, when else am I going to? It's this dress. It's brown with this fun like animal print and all these little beads in the center, which I love. And this dress is just super flattering and I am bringing it with me. And then the last dress I am packing, one that I did wear on my birthday trip. Gorgeous off-white dress that I think is very beautiful and looks gorgeous with a little tan, which I will surely be after a week in the island. This is bulky too. That's kind of annoying. I think I'll put these in here also. So I do have this brown top. Halter neck has these fun little beads in the center like the other one. I think I'm going to put this on top in here. Next top I have, it's this fun pink and white orange floral top. Another like kind of halter neck situation. I thought this could be cute with the white skirt that I'm bringing. That could have her moment. And then I have this skirt that I also bought today. This was part of a set. I hated the shirt and then the shirt was broken anyway, so I did keep the skirt because I think this is so cute. It's like gold, I would call it, with gold beading all around. I think it's so pretty. I might bring like a plain white tank top if I have one to wear with this because I think that could be a little moment and that's cute. I've got all the dresses in here. I am not bringing any more dresses with me. She's heavy, but they're all here. The rest seems kind of easy. I think next I'm going to try to pack cover-ups. I know this is insane. I know this is insane. I have this fun knit set. It's a long sleeve top and shorts. Okay with the long sleeves because there's holes in it. I feel like I won't overheat, you know? Next thing, I have these fun little shorts that I am going to pair with this off-the-shoulder shirt. It says something like Margarita Cocktail Club or something like that. So I'm going to wear these two things together. I'm going to just see if I can roll them up that way. I have this fun new cover-up that has these two little seashells in the middle. Long sleeve white dress, so cute. I like planned out all of the things that I'm gonna wear, like what bathing suit I'm gonna wear with which cover up, and like yes, that could change, but I'm excited. My usual poncho. I love this thing literally so much. Looks good with everything. I have this cover up. It's a long dress with slits like towards the bottom on the side, and then with this gold detail in the center. I have not one but two pairs of white linen pants. One of them is more cover up like than the other. Will they both be cover ups? Maybe. I don't know. Okay, this is the only thing I wasn't sure if I was gonna bring. I have these shorts. They're cute and I love them. I don't think I have a top that I'm bringing that would work with these. I don't know. I have these red and white striped shorts that match a bathing suit I have. Thinking this could be good for a boat day? Maybe? And then the last one I have is this cover-up set. So it's this knit skirt with this fun little top. This can get bulky, so I'm trying to pack it in a way that it's not so bad. I think I have to take one pair of pants out. I think I'll take these out. Alright, like I said, I took one pair of pants out. These pair of pants are staying in here because these have historically been my cover-up pants. I've had them forever and they were so long. My friend Connor so graciously hemmed these for me and they are now perfect. And I get to wear them for the first time at the proper length. Okay. Cover-ups are packed. I also got to use my carry-on for the first time that Kyle gave me for Christmas. If you're curious, I am really sad that Kyle's not coming. He was invited, he just can't come. Okay, moving on. All of my bikinis I think will go in this packing cube. First one I'm bringing, green checker pattern, beading in the center, matching bottoms. You saw this one in the birthday vlog, my blue starfish. You also saw this one in the birthday vlog, my ruffly floral orange pink bikini. So this is the top that matches those shorts. The bottoms though, I got two different bottoms that are the same material. Hate them both. So I'm bringing these red bottoms from a Kulani bikini that I have. It's the closest I could get since the other two that match this just aren't doing it, but I love the top, I love the material, I love the way it fits me, so we're making do. Next one is this blue one, nautical pattern on the outside with a little shell, and it's reversible so I can wear it either side. That's like two for the price of one, which I think is awesome. I have this maroon bathing suit. This is what I've been wearing to tan in, so this is what all of my tan lines are from. Just a basic bikini, nothing crazy. I have this fun zebra bikini with a little shell charm in the center that I just think is really fun. And then last one I have, maybe last one, is this navy blue one with this fun gold detailing here and on both sides of the bottoms, which I think are so cool. It also comes with a little skirt cover up, so I'm just gonna keep it together like this. Okay, like this is crazy because I feel like it's already full. These are all my dresses. I have this little space. I don't have anything in here yet. I have my cover-ups and my bikinis. I think my undergarments I might put in my personal item, but like I still have so many things to put in here. I don't know how people do this. I've gone rogue. I ditched the remainder of packing cubes, whatever they were supposed to be. I've reconfigured over here a little. I turned this sideways and I turned that because I need to fit these heels in here somewhere. And I think, honestly, this is the only place that they can go. So that's there for right now. I do have these here. Will they stay there? Don't know. I put my pajamas here. Like I said, I have one more set of pajamas that I will probably put here. I put my workout sets here. These are two scarves I'm bringing. Maybe these I'll put in there. And then I'm putting my casual wear. This is also just like a laundry bag. I think my casual clothes I'm just gonna lay on top of here and we'll see how that closes. I think my hat, this is why you bring things that can get smushed. That can go in there and all my casual clothes can go here. Okay, be right back. I don't know what to do, to be quite frank. I don't know what to do. Ugh. I think this set I'm gonna leave at home. I just don't know what to do with it right now. Okay, that's one thing down. Like, I think everything else I really want to bring. One thing about me is I'm gonna figure it out. It's closed. Is everything in there? Almost. But that's it. It's closed. It like doesn't even look like it's gonna burst either. If I have to close the expander pocket, then we're gonna have an ish. For now, it's closed. Here's what's not in there. My curling iron, which may go in my personal item anyway, and 3 pairs of shoes. Do I need them all? I don't know. Don't know, but they'll be there. None of my electronics are packed. I don't know, like this is really challenging. Good morning. Today is now Wednesday, July 8th. I regrouped a little bit from last night. I was genuinely spiraling over that suitcase last night. It's packed right now and I don't really want to touch it, but I think I'm gonna have to because there's like a couple little things that need to get in there. That's a later problem. Right now though, I just packed all my jewelry. Looks so cute. I have my jewelry out already that I'm gonna wear on the plane. This is all of my jewelry that I'm bringing. These are obviously the rings that I'm not going to wear on the plane. These are some extra earrings that are always in here, like Scorpio jewelry. I have these fun white earrings with the leaf on them. My oval shaped pearl earrings. I have these ones, which are really fun, that I wore on my birthday. Starfish with just like some pearls and this little pink jewel. My sun earrings, my flower earrings, which I also wore on my birthday last year. I have these pearl earrings that I've had for literally ever. They were just at my parents' house, so I kind of forgot about them, but they are joining me on this trip. And then I have my regular J necklace. I have a layering necklace, and then I bought this pack of necklaces that are gold and nautical theme. Like there's one with a shell on it, there's one with a starfish, and they're different lengths, so very very cute. I'm not taking it out of there. But that is my jewelry that I'm bringing with me. I do have, like I said, my jewelry laid out that I will wear on the plane. So like my usual earring stack that I had in yesterday. I have a necklace to wear on the plane, and then my 2 rings that I like to wear, my Claddagh and a little band as well. Here's what's about to happen at present. It is 9:40. I'm gonna leave in the next 5 or so minutes to go to get my nails done. If anybody laying eyes on this has watched any previous pack and preps with me, you know I have issues with my nails. I am going to a new nail salon today. This is what they currently look like. The polish has stayed on pretty well, but they're obviously grown out, and then I broke this nail kind of far down here. But I love a fun little nail design, and I did whatever kind of research I could to see what nail salon will do gel nails on my actual nails, not acrylics, and do a fun little beachy design that I want for my vacation. This is what I'm going for. I booked a nail artist. Like, I made an appointment. I never make appointments. I specified that I want designs on my nails, and this salon, their whole thing is that they do gel nails. Their specialty is gel. So I'm hopeful. Is my wallet? No. You know, that's the price you gotta pay for something cute and fun. And I just want something cute and fun for this trip. I don't think that's the worst thing. There's my suitcase over there with my personal item and the cat. Oh, hey, that's me in the mirror. Anyway, nails currently. Will update you when I return from the salon. Aren't they amazing? They're beautiful and perfect and like exactly what I wanted. Like, come on. And those are my real nails. These are my own nails. This is like one of the first times, maybe the second time in my life, that I've walked into the nail salon and left with exactly what I wanted. It was far. That nail salon was far away from me, but like so worth it. And she was so nice and so like gentle and thoughtful doing the designs. They literally look perfect. I wanted even to look remotely like the picture. This is, I think, as close as we would have been able to get, and it looks amazing. Like, look at that. So cool. I had to get my head out of the frame. And then the starfish too. Come on. Oh, wow. Like, there's like a weight that just lifted off my shoulders. You have no idea. Like, it sounds dumb, but it like means so much that they look exactly how I wanted them to. And it's my own nail. Look how beautiful they look. I will toot my own horn there. I don't bite my nails. I've never bit my nails in my life. They do get to grow out, and they're not acrylics. They're my own nails with gel. And the design, so worth it. So worth it. I'm so excited. Good morning. It's Thursday, July 9th. I officially leave for my trip tomorrow. Our flight is at like 6 in the morning. So my dad's a little crazy when it comes to the airport, as most dads are. And we have an Uber, I presume, picking us up at our home at like 2:30. I don't know how far away he thinks the airport is. We are going to be there with an abundance of time. I'm just about ready to go. My bags are almost completely packed, with the exception of a few little toiletry items and things that I just am going to have to squeeze into my personal item. My carry-on, they better not ask me to zip the extender pocket shut, because then we're gonna have a problem. If there really is an issue, I'm banking on my brother, because he's a boy, is gonna have a little extra room in his suitcase, because I already know if I take like a couple items out of my carry-on, it will close with the extender pocket shut. However, it's open right now. As long as I don't have to close it, I'll be fine. I really spiraled the other night when I was packing, as you may have seen. Like, I want to be prepared. I'm gonna be there for a whole week, and a girl wants to have options, but I feel like I've really whittled it down to the most important things. I don't know, this was the best I could do. I'm so excited. My sister isn't coming on the trip, which maybe I said, and neither is my boyfriend Kyle, which I am really upset about. I'm trying my best to enjoy and be excited for the trip regardless, because I will be with my brother, we'll be with family, friends, we're gonna be in another country on the beach, so I really can't complain. I just do wish they were coming, if I had to complain. So right now I am checking off some final things from my list. I'm going to try to quickly put this video together, so maybe it will post over the weekend. Having my final iced coffee for a while, I presume, unless there's a good place to get coffee. I don't know what part of Sint Maarten we're in, but it's on the French side for sure. I don't know what like the specific area is called. I think I'm just today going to go through all of my electronics and my devices and make sure everything's kind of cleaned out and I have enough battery and everything. I have enough storage on all of my cameras and my phone. I just went through my Sony camera, clear out some old videos that I didn't need. I have been progressively going through my phone, just deleting old screenshots and clips like that. I do need to go through my DJI, delete some of the videos that are taking up a lot of space, and I think that's kind of it. And just in case this is the last time I talk to you, thanks so much for watching. Again, I love my nails, and I'll see you in Sint Maarten. Bye.